My day job is a wildfire rehabilitation technician working for the provincial wildfire land-based recovery team. My name's Andrew Voight, and I'm the operations branch director on the Slocan Lake Complex. We have 6 principles that guide our rehabilitation process: restoring natural drainage patterns, stabilizing soils, minimizing surface erosion, mitigating fire hazards, repairing damaged infrastructure, and promoting revegetation and preventing the establishment of invasive species.
My name's Noah Foster. I'm the Wildfire Rehabilitation Specialist here at the Slocan Lake Complex. My role here is to inventory, prescribe, and help implement wildfire rehabilitation suppression efforts on Crown land primarily. And by doing that, we reduce a lot of the risk of landslides and water flowing where it's not supposed to, reducing surface erosion and sediment entering streams. Many different methods that we use out there in the wildfire rehabilitation world, some of which are on steep slopes, which would consider critical works. So on steep slopes, we would look at doing recontouring, which involves decompacting the inside edge, bringing back the berm and outside edge of the machine guard back into the slope, creating its natural slope pattern. Another method is pullback, where we have a big berm of windrow material along the outside of the guard that we're looking at pulling back and bringing that native soil back onto the machine guard to help re-promote vegetation and bring it back into a productive forest. Other methods of wildfire rehab involves constructing different water management devices, such as water bars and cross ditches, which help reduce surface erosion and having the water go back into areas of the forest where it's got vegetation to absorb that water and reduce that erosion along the machine guard and sediment entering areas where we don't want it to, like streams and lakes. Another method that we use is grass seeding, which helps stabilize the banks and grow native plants along the disturbed areas. Also with grass seeding, it helps with riparian areas and areas of critical habitat for different animals out there.
Having individuals like Noah, a local rehab specialist, embedded on this incident from the start has really helped us plan out our suppression activities and guards and minimize damages up front. Now that we're pivoting into the rehab phase on some of these fires, we know where the guards are, we know where the critical spots are which need to be rehabbed, and they're already identified, and it's allowing us to complete these works in a timely manner.
So my role is to do wildfire rehabilitation on Crown land, on private land that's been affected by suppression efforts with heavy equipment and other suppression methods. There is a process in place, and those landowners would talk with BC Wildfire Claims and get in contact with them to start the process of rehabilitation on their private land.